Welcome to you all. Today I will show you how to manage photo files. When we design the album, then it doesn't remember which image we used in the previous design. For this we create a new folder and drop the used photos there usually. For this first we will create a folder named Used. And whenever we design or place images with the help of PhotoKaya software, then these used files will automatically move into the used folder. We will look at one more example. I am reverting the design for this. I am tagged the used folder. Now I am creating a new folder inside the used folder. Then I started making the design. The photos I used now move into this new folder. Then again I created a new folder. Again I put pictures in the design. Now these images will come in last folder. Again created a new folder. Again I put the picture in the design. Now these used images will come in this last folder. In this way we can manage photos and create designs very easily. Now I am showing two images swapped. It remembers the location of the image. So friends, you can check out some more video tutorials on photo adjustment on our channel. The link is provided in the description box. Don't forget to give the video a like. if you find it useful. Thank you all.